purple blooming swirls. You will need nail tip for gel polish colors, top coat, nail art brush, gel brush. Start with your lightest color. Cover the whole tip with gel polish. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cover the whole nail with a second layer. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your favorite colors on a palette. Add a glitter gel polish. Put a thin layer of base coat on your nail. Do not cure. Use a gel brush and scoop a bit from the palette. Swirl it through the uncured base coat. Repeat these steps until you are happy. For filling in the gaps, use a liner brush. Repeat this step until you're happy with the results. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apply top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The end result is beautiful. Please let me know what you think of this tutorial. And tap the follow button